Hey guys, okay, so we're back, and we're gonna be talking about the most greatest thing in the universe, bobby pins. What? So I'm sure most of you know that we have Diane bobby pins. These are those bobby pins that have the squiggly lines with the tang up top. So just to let you know, the tang always goes to the head. Just wanted to clarify in case anyone is learning about that. Dun, 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 dun. But I enjoy the matte black bobby pin. Ooh. Yes, so this is what I like to use. It also, you can bend them so they curve the head a little bit more. Cute little tip trick. Boom! Now I'm going to be going on to hairpins. So there are two types. We have the 3-inch and then we have a 1 1/4. So these literally had little jaggeds in it and they don't have any balls on the end. But these were a commodity in the world. I enjoy these. So they're smooth, they go right in, they glide right in, and you don't have to worry about them. I think they're actually at Sally's. Both sizes in one box. For all of you ADHD people out there, this is my hair tray. My pin tray. This is how I like to keep them. This is what I put on my station. This is it. In the front, I have my hairpins. In the back, I have my 3-inchers. On the side, I have my bobby pins. My 3 big old bobby pins to hold it in. And then this side over here is always emptied out and getting refilled back in after they are sanitized. Make sure you do that. You can keep it on your tray very so nicely right on the corner.